Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
We will see the content list of A Brief History of Modern India, that is Spectrum. It is a fully revised edition of Spectrum. So this is the front page, and then comes the editor's note. Then this is the contents. Unit 1, that is Sources and Approaches. It's contained the major approaches to the history of modern India and via chapter 1 and chapter 2. And then comes the unit 2, that is Advent of Europeans and Consolidation of British. It also contains the various chapters. Then India on the eve of British conquest in chapter 4. These are the subtopics which are included in the chapter 4 and 5. This is unit 3, Rising Resentment Against Company Rule. Then unit 5, The Struggle Begins. Indian National Congress Foundation, and so on. This is the book which is very important for all the UPSC aspirants. This is chapter 20, Debates on the Future Strategy After Civil Disobedience Movement. This is unit 8, Towards Freedom and Partition. It includes all the main topics like ideas of religion, caste and untouchability, and then this is chapter 25, Independence with Partition. You have to study this book very thoroughly if you really want to clear the UPSC exam. And this book is also important for all the competitive exams for history. This is Development of Indian Press, Development of Education, and then comes the peasant movements, the movement of the working class, the Indian state's establishment, then the making of the constitution for India, and the development under Nehru's leadership, and after Nehru what happened. So these are the subtopics. The Janata Party years, the foreign relations also included in this chapter, the Chandrasekhar government, the Narasimha Rao year, and this is the last. And it also contains the appendices which contains various newspaper and journals. So this is chapter number 1. So this is the front of this book, which is a fully revised edition of Spectrum. So you can buy this book from anywhere. You can buy it from Amazon also.